Okay, we got Titus lost in the hay bale maze, and we're gonna see if he can find his way out. All right, you ready, buddy? We'll follow you. Let's get out, okay? All right. Okay. What? Oh no! Oh no! It's a dead end. Dead end. Okay, you have to try a different path. Let's go.
Which way should we go? Maybe turn to the next one? Yes, a dead end.
Oh no, another dead end? Can you say... Yeah. Oh dear.
Which way?
Go back this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Go, go, go. Go this way. Is that a good way? Do you see how to get out? Is there a way to get out? Are you getting close? Let's see. Is it a dead end?
No.
No? How do you get out? Are we lost? Yeah, all stuck? Well, aren't you? Where are you going to go? Find somewhere to go. Let's see if you can find a way to get out.
I get 5 seconds to climb over.
Where are you going? Pick somewhere, buddy. Okay, go. Oh, does that look like the right way to go? No? Okay, which way should we go? Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, okay, is that a dead end? No, you made it! Ta-da! Good job! Yay! High five! All right.